How to make a link tree on Instagram. If you'd like to make a link tree on Instagram, Linktree is a popular platform where you can organize all of your links. Now you can go to linktr.ee, which is the official website. Once you're there on the Linktree website, you can choose to add the links that you want. So you can add your YouTube channel link, your Discord link, your Amazon link, whatever link it is that you have, and you want to copy the main link. So this will be your Linktree URL. So when someone, let's say, goes to this particular URL, they'll be redirected to your Linktree page, right? So once you've added all the links over there, they'll be redirected to your page. Now, let's say that you want to add this to your Instagram, then you have to add this to your bio by simply going to Instagram, going to profile section, going to the edit profile button right there. Now you can also do this on mobile, totally your choice. In the website section, you can go ahead and paste it, and it says editing your links is only available on mobile. So you can go ahead and paste the link there and click on the update button to save the changes. This way you'll be able to make Linktree on Instagram. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.